testing out the Nickelodeon slime kit, and we'll be making some fun. And I have all supplies I need right here. Boy, this is my fine bag, so we'll put that right here. Now let me go get the fine kit. Now here is the slime kit. The Nickelodeon slime kit my best friend bought for me for my birthday. So let me open this up. There was metallic, and she also bought me glow-in-the-dark glue, but yeah, I already used it. Oh, jeez. Let's open this up. There. Now let's open this up. There are some instructions. And now here's the actual. Oh, you can see some stuff already in it. You might need this whole table. Hold on. Oh, and here's some glitter. So, I'll be testing this out. I just wanted to play with the slime for a little bit. Oh, they give you clear glue, clear activator. Nice. Okay, so I'm just going to test it out. See if they work. So here's some slime activator. They give you the Crazy Art Nickelodeon clear glue, and then they're both clear glues, and some terrible colors. But good thing we have my slime bag full of colors, just in case. And we have mixing tools in here. So let me get some mixing tools. So let me get my paint, because those are better options. And let's get a mixing tool. It's just a little stick. Okay. So let's move everything inside, and yeah. They have these little mini containers. Oh, they have popsicle sticks in here. I won't need to. Oh, yeah, it's nice that they give you like little instructions what to do, but I already know how to do it. Okay, let's open this and get the container. Sorry, the little instructions keep getting in the way. Okay. So they come with these little thingies, but I already have containers. So yeah, I want to make a bigger one, but it's okay. Okay, so let's see. They have these, so blah blah blah. I already know how much I want. This spoon, I guess it's for like, I don't know what the spoon is for. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use I was going to take the activator and pour the activator in as clear slime glue.
Now, I might not be able to go. What you want me to do? See where it looks a little like spacey?
I poured a little bit in because they only give you like this much, so plus I have a big gallon anyway, so I'm just gonna do that. Don't mind them, they're talking, they're being stupid. Okay, so I'm gonna make two. One purple and then one just clear. So let's add some purple. I added quite a lot of purple. Okay, mix the color in. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. some pinkish, so also glitter. And we're gonna it kind of got everywhere, but it's okay. Now I need a little bit more glue because I got already a lot of glitter. Okay, there we go. I need to add more glue. That was glue. Okay, now it's time for some slime activator. I'm not sure if this is like, this might be some borax or I don't know. Well, let's hope it's really good activator. Because I normally use Tide or Stay Flow. Because I used to use borax, but yeah. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, so it's actually kind of, oh geez, working. So yeah, kind of working, kind of, oh geez. Okay, so I'm gonna try to. Seafood papaya. So I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna mix it. Still not ready yet. I thought it was kind of ready because it's still not kind of ready. I need a little more activator. Okay, now let's mix it. Oh, it's getting there. It's mixing in. It's kind of like a sticky, rubbery feeling. I don't know why. But let's mix it in with the rest of the slime at the bottom. Maybe it'll help it a little bit. That's like a rubbery, it's like a slime, it's like a homemade slime, but it has a rubbery homemade slime to it. Like the store-bought slimes have that, like, yeah, you probably know, like that putty feel. Get all the slime out from in the bowl. Maybe I shouldn't have added that much activator. Maybe I could have just kneaded it. Maybe it's the activator of it. Or maybe I just added too much. So I'll be doing 2 batches. One thing for sure is I added too much of the glitter. Oh, so maybe it's just the glitter because I did add a lot of glitter because it has. Okay. Anyways, no more chit chat. Let's see. On the camera, it looks super dark, like a really pretty dark color. But in real life, it's actually really light. This is the color I wanted it to be on camera. Okay, let's put it away. And we're gonna make 2. So yeah, maybe it might be better if I just, like, maybe because, maybe I added too much. Okay, that container isn't working. It's bent. So let's use a different container. There. Now, let's try another side. Okay, so I'm going to use a bowl that I already have. I'm only going to use a little bit. Okay. So now, I'm going to use the same glue. this whole thing. Oh, okay. Let's stop there. Now, I might add a few little things from my own slime. No, I don't want to use those yet. Hold on, let me find something from in my slime bag to add in. So I'm checking my slime bag to add in. These will be so cute. So I'm just gonna add a few of these. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so now add some slime. Activate. That is enough. Okay, let's mix it in. I want to have a clear slime because all slimes that I make are clear. Because when I was gonna make a clear slime, but the clear it ruined before it can even turn clear. So yeah, the little teeny measuring cup fell. It's kind of a small slime. I kind of want to add a bit more glue because the beads wouldn't stick. Well, let's just add all the glue in. People would normally add glue as well. They're adding activator. People wouldn't normally do that, but this lady will. So let's mix it. It's mixing well. Okay. It's time for getting our hands dirty. I might need to stir it a bit more, just to it's not really pulling away, really. Let me still kind of sticky a bit. I need some more activator. This is way too sticky. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I need another whole squirt. Okay, now that should be enough. It's there. It's getting there. Okay. There. Whoa, I don't know why I jumped. My sister started singing, and then it scared me. I don't know why. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, it's still kind of sticky, but it's hard. So now we just have to wait for it to clear up, and I'll make another video once it clears up. So I'll give you a few day checkup on how it is. So you have to wait for all the bubbles to rise in the slime to turn it clear. But it's really pretty. It's like a clear slime with some beads. So yeah. Whenever I squeeze it, it gets stuck to my hand. That's okay. Because I already have slime on them. That's sticky. I have slime on my hands that's sticky. So yeah, that's why. Yeah. The fun is really nice. And I really like it. But some beads, we do have some fallouts. Some beads just fell out. I think we had 2 beads that fell out. We do have some fallout. But I put kind of a bot for this tiny slime. This slime's probably 2 ounces, I think. So, yeah, those are my 2 vibes. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!